Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to Hey Tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals Tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to Hey Tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals Tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Welcome to Hey Tutorials. Healthy lifestyle, flawless skin, DIY. Welcome to Cassia Naturals Tutorials. Welcome to Cassia Naturals.
Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cold pressed lemon oil for brightening your skin or lightening skin. If you are having acne or dark spots, your skin will look so smooth. So you need some lemons, and I've already washed our lemons and then we're going to peel them. So make sure that you need to be very careful. That's the reason why I had to put on some gloves to protect myself from cutting. So lemon oil is a great skin tightening agent for all your needs. It's packed with some amazing health effects like being anti-aging and scar reducing. So whether you have sunspots from too many beach days or discoloration around your armpits, you can try lemon oil. So not only that, but using this oil in your daily routine doesn't have to be a hustler either. It's too easy to incorporate in your daily life. Try out some of the many ways you use lemon for brightening, skin lightening, and headwards on a healthier skin and happier you. So we've graded. So that is how they look like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. To my 392 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for love and your support. So if you're not on my channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So I've done actually about two more videos on lemon. I'll link the videos in the description box below. So I love cold press because they have a lot of nutrients and vitamins in them. I've done also hot pressed. Yes, so you can use the oil for, in your formulations, even to brighten up your skin naturally without any toxic ingredients. So of course, like I'll be using lemon oil in my formulations for face moisturizers, serums, and so forth. So lemon oil is actually loaded with vitamin C, which is a good component to brighten your skin naturally. So lemon is oil, skin lightening. The actual lightening components come from the lemon's peels, which is where the oil is derived. So of course, we are going to use some grapeseed oil, but of course there are also essential oils which you can purchase. They are also beneficial, but we're going to use infused lemon oil. You can use actually, oil specifically for the face, like rosehip, argan oil, yes, grapeseed oil, which will not clog your pores. So if you suffer from acne, you probably have at least few scars on your face from the skin damage. Thankfully, lemon oil for skin discoloration will help to reduce the appearance of those scars. Using a nice serum can help you gradually improve those specific areas that stand out your most. It's easier to make a bottle to keep on your night for easy application. Maybe after you even feel confident enough to go foundation free at your next social event, right? So now I'm going to let this all infuse for usually I infuse for 7 days. That is if I'm using fresh zest. Yes, so it's been actually 14 days and it has infused well. So like I would shake it every day so that it is well combined. But of course, you know what, friends, it looks kind of a dark, not green, but I don't know, this just the camera, I don't know, but the oil was green. So we've gotten a fine strainer and we are going to strain our oil. So lemon oil will also lighten face mask. It's good actually for high pigmentation. While high pigmentation is usually harmless, it may cause you to feel self-conscious about your skin. You can use, lemon to reduce high pigmentation over time. You see some gradual lightening of the dark spots, making them feel like less of a focal point on your face. You can even make a lemon face mask, by using this, and you add in the lemon oil, and you can even add aloe vera. Yes, it will work very well. So after straining, those are the chunks which remains. Friends, probably that we can actually use this zest, remaining zest, for another purpose. You can kindly comment in the section below. So that is how our final product looks like. It looks so lovely and perfect. Subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like and comment in the section below. In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can reach 500 subscribers. So that is how it looks like. So of course, if you want, you can preserve it, but there isn't any water. But because it was fresh, there were fresh this, you can actually add a preservative if you so wish. So now I've just gotten our bottle, and then we are going to store our final product. So you can use this oil like once per day to moisturize your skin, or you can add it in your formulations, whichever way you want, or use it in a face mask, DIY face mask. One of these days, I'm going to share with you how you can actually make a simple DIY face mask with lemon oil. So subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't. So I appreciate you, friends, for watching my videos and subscribing and, liking my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back and check for more videos, informative videos, which have been researched. So comment in the section below, friends. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.